Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Discord error 2012 in a quick and practical way so you can get back to chatting and using Discord without interruptions. This error usually appears due to connection problems or temporary issues with Discord servers. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Try restarting your router or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, completely close Discord and reopen it. You can also log out and log back in to your account to refresh your session. After that, disable any VPN or proxy service because Discord sometimes blocks connections from certain regions or masked networks. You should also clear the Discord cache. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, open the Discord folder, and delete cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. Another step is to temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to check if they are blocking Discord. If it works, add Discord as an exception. Finally, update Discord to the latest version or reinstall it completely. After following these steps, the error should be fixed and Discord should work normally again without issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.